we always wanted to build a house, and we were trying to look for good builders. And then through one of our friends, we found an architect, Divina, and Divina referred us to BricknEarth. So that's how we reached BricknEarth. And it was a really good experience from the beginning itself. From the moment when we had purchased the land to start building the house, the experience was really great with them. And we had various discussions with the whole team, BricknEarth, especially Bhuvnesh, Divina. We had a lot of challenges building a house in this particular locality, because the challenges were more than buying a plot. Especially we were surrounded by buildings, and we wanted to bring natural light into the building, and we wanted air circulation to be well. And with the neighboring houses already built, all these challenges had to be addressed, and we had a really interesting journey with them trying to address these challenges. But must say, all these challenges were addressed in the architect level itself, in the designing phase itself. So our 90% of their issues were covered in the designing phase itself. If you'll take a tour of this building, you will definitely understand how they were given the solution for all the challenges we are talking about. Especially we wanted privacy when there are 3 buildings around you, and we wanted sunlight, and we wanted air circulation to be well. So this majority issues were addressed in the architect level itself, and discussing and communicating with them was never a hard task for us. That is the most important thing I think we should look in for a builder. We always felt it was a teamwork. We never felt like different entities at all.
In a nutshell, I would say it is a fabulous work from BricknEarth, and especially from Bhunesh and team. It's a fantastic journey, I would say, because we had a lot of challenges, and we have somebody who can address those challenges, as well as who can take end-to-end solution for those challenges. Cost effective, I say, because I see the other builders, and if I compare that with BricknEarth, they are far better than the other builders. So it is a good company where you can invest your money. You can invest your money in your building, and you can look for a better quality work. At the same time, within budget and within time also, you can expect results from BricknEarth.
Hi, I would like to conclude my feedback. So my room is good, I like it, and it's a good place to sleep. And I have my study room, which is very efficient for me to study, and it helps me not to get distracted or anything like that. And my favorite place in this house is the terrace. So the terrace is like an open space, so I can play and do stuff after my studies.
I want to add more to this, especially selection of materials, which the BricknEarth team has helped me. Helped us actually. It was a very very good journey with them. Even the smallest things in this house, whatever you can see, it's been guided, and it's been recommended, and it's been tested, and all the help was provided from BricknEarth. Especially if you see from the tiles, in each and every room there will be a variation. Especially in the kids room you can see, and even in the study room you can see there will be a lot of variations. Though we were skeptical when choosing that, all the ups and downs and the prices were discussed up front when we went for selection. So there they personally they came and they helped us to do the selection. They don't compromise on the safety of the building. That is one thing I liked, and I have argued about it too much also with them. If you see next to our breakfast counter, you can see there's an open window. We wanted a complete French style open door look throughout till the study room, and you can see also a grill right now there. That is because they never compromised on safety, because they said, ma'am, there's a kid at home and we are not going to allow you to keep that door open. I have insisted so many times that we ourselves are okay with it, and I don't want to spoil the look by keeping a grill. They have never agreed with that, and The next day I come, I see already a grill is installed, and you can see behind that there is a fixed door, fixed frame kept there, and beyond that, even if the kid goes, that is a fixed frame, you cannot open it. So that's how they work, and they never compromise with the safety, and wherever it is mandatory and they have to follow the rules, they do follow the rules. They don't compromise with that at all, and they try to tell us why it is important, and why it has to be there. That's how his whole team of BricknEarth works, and we are really happy with them, and the way this project has come out. We are really thankful to the whole team for being with us in this important journey, trying to help us build our dream house. Thank you,
BricknEarth.
Thank you, Bhunesh.